Hello guys and welcome back to RoadRage channel, a channel featuring some of the most exciting and best road moments captured on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight for this one, because you'll definitely enjoy. In this video, we can see the importance of traffic signs, because one lady in particular didn't bother stopping at the stop sign, and because of her careless reaction, she nearly caused a heavy accident.
She didn't even stop.
This video shows how dangerous traffic can get at times and why it's really important to have a dashcam in your vehicle. If it wasn't for the dashcam, the camera might have easily been scammed by an insurance scammer. This is what happens when you don't pay attention before pulling out onto the road. Always make sure to look both ways before merging out onto the road, people. In this video, you will see lots of reckless drivers who don't pay attention at traffic lights at all, and that's something to be really concerned about. Please guys, respect the traffic laws. Both fails, caught on this driver's dashcam. Make sure to stick around, and perhaps you'll learn a thing or two. We have a lot of drivers who don't use turn signals at all while changing lanes, not to mention checking at their side view or rear view mirrors at all. These are the types of drivers that cause the most accidents on the road, and no matter how careful you are, you can never be careful enough. We would advise all drivers in traffic to be more mindful of others, take it easy on your gas pedal, and check for every lane before making a lane change, because you can never know when another vehicle or a biker might be there. After all, an accident is something that none of us want. Snowy and icy roads can cause a lot of trouble for drivers in traffic, and in this situation here, the camera caught a crash at the intersection due to bad road conditions. Crazy bus driver blatantly cut right in front of the camera without bothering to turn his head to look, even though he had a clear view of the camera approaching. Basics of bad driving are explained in this video right here. Pay close attention at the driver in front. First, he was cutting across a solid line, but then all of a sudden, he suddenly moved back into the camera's lane without using his indicators or turn signals. Don't be like this guy.
to go before. Got a red light runner here.
Pay close attention at the driver on the camera's left side. He didn't check over his shoulders, nor did he look at his mirrors while making a lane change, and it nearly came to an accident. The camera had to sit on his honk simply to avoid it. We have a reckless driver who doesn't look at his mirrors while changing lanes. And as if that's not enough, this guy even brake checked the camera. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on RoadRage channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable. After all, we will really appreciate that. And if you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will mean the world. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.